Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to do another update on the car. Been working on it a little bit. Um, Finally got this thing up and running. I actually got it running last night, but it's about 9 o'clock or so, and my neighbors probably wouldn't appreciate it running so loud. But I still got to get a bunch of tuning and testing and start getting it down the highway and do, like I said, some tuning on it. But like I say, man, happy got this thing running. Till next time, guys. Like and subscribe, comment, and like I said, I'll keep you updated. Later, guys.